Here are just a few things that happened today revolving Tesla and Elon Musk. And before all of the Elon fanboys run to the comments and go, boo, you don't like Elon, I'm a Tesla shareholder. Well, the majority of my Tesla stock was sold a couple years back when I bought my home, but I still hold some. And I also don't like Elon Musk, and I don't think he deserved that $56 billion pay package. Elon recently blamed the CrowdStrike disaster on inclusion and diversity hires. He also said that his transgender daughter was killed by the woke mind virus. His daughter is not dead, but it does give us some insights into what kind of father and human he is, which is not good. And then there's Tesla stock, which just reported earnings this evening, and the stock is down around 3% after hours. Here's why. Tesla Q2 profits fall 45% to $1.48 billion as sales drop despite price cuts and low interest loans. In the same quarter of last year, they made $2.7 billion. Earlier this month, Tesla said they sold 443,956 vehicles. That is down 4.8% from the amount that they sold in the same period last year. And for the first half of the year, Tesla has sold about 831,000 vehicles worldwide. He says that they're going to do 1.8 million for the entire year. However, their sale of regulatory credits nearly tripled to 890 million. And Elon says plans for new vehicles, including more affordable options, remain on track for the start of production in the first half of 2025. I know what people are going to say. Shut up. Keep your opinions on Tesla and Elon separate. Focus on the stock. Shut up and only talk about the stock. There's only one problem. When that stock is publicly held and I am an investor in that company, I can react to his abhorrent behavior, which drives a lot of people, away from Tesla. They don't want to associate with Tesla. They don't want to associate with Elon. They find his behavior to be reprehensible, and they want nothing to do with it. Elon has really boxed himself into a weird corner where people on the left who are more prone to drive electric vehicles don't want them because they don't want to associate with Elon, and people on the right don't believe in electric vehicles or climate change or any of that and don't want to drive a Tesla. So he's kind of in real trouble here. And saying Elon is the only person in the world who's capable of running this company gives him a god complex, which he certainly does not need. Let me know what you think in the comments. Smash the follow. See ya.